Before you start replacing a gear cable on your dual pivot caliper brakes, let's cover a few basics. Brake cables are typically made from two main materials. Galvanized steel. This option is more affordable to produce, but prone to rust, which can cause the cable to seize inside the outer casing over time. Stainless steel. Known for its excellent corrosion resistance, it moves more smoothly through the outer casing due to its sleek surface. Some stainless steel cables come polished or coated to further reduce friction. It's important to note that brake levers use different cable ends, with a pear-shaped end designed for drop bar levers. Tools required: 5mm Allen key or 8-10mm spanner, cable cutters, 1.5mm Allen key or a pin, and a cable tie or toe strap. First, remove the handlebar tape up to the brake lever, along with any sticky tape securing the cable. For easier cable removal, trim off the cable end cap. Locate the end of the cable attached to the brake caliper and undo the pinch bolt to release it. Remove any outer casing. Then reset the barrel adjuster on the caliper. Pull the brake lever and keep it in the open position by securing it to the handlebars with a cable tie or a toe strap. Gently push the brake cable from the trimmed end to keep the cable hook unit in place. The pear-shaped head will start to emerge from the lever. Once it's partially out, grab the end and pull the cable completely out of the system. When replacing a brake cable, it's a good idea to also replace the outer casing and ferrules. The outer casing should be cut to the correct length, using the old casing as a guide. When cutting the cable, the coiled metal can sometimes fold over the opening, preventing the cable from passing through smoothly. Use cable cutters to trim off any obstructing ends. Also, the tin PTFE tubing might close up when cut, so use a fine tool like a pin or a 1.5mm Allen key to carefully open it up. After trimming both ends, run the inner cable through the tubing to ensure it moves smoothly. Now fit the new ferrules to match the old ones. They are designed to stop the outer casing unraveling. Insert the cable into cable hook unit, pushing it all the way in until the pair end is securely seated. You might need to manipulate it slightly to ensure it fits into the designated slot. Next, release the lever and attach the appropriate piece of outer casing. Position it along the handlebar and secure it with a tape to keep it in place. Now refit the handlebar tape. Check out my video tutorial here if you're not sure how to do this. As you route the outer casing, ensure it doesn't become tangled with other cables. Install the outer casing in the necessary stops. Then thread the cable through the barrel adjuster and into the pinch bolt. The next step is the brake adjustment. You can find out here how to adjust dual pivot caliper brakes if you're not sure how to do this. Hold off on cutting the cable until after you've completed the final adjustment. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear if this video was helpful and how your experience went with replacing the brake cable on your drop bars. Let me know in the comments below. I truly appreciate all your support in helping this channel grow. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing my video with others. Cheers and see you soon!